Welcome to Composet Products and Spraying Stabond for RV repair. Composet Products is the industry leader in products used to repair water-damaged and delaminated RV walls and roofs. Here we're featuring the Stabond product. The Stabond contact cements are solvent-based adhesives. The E183 is used to bond Styrofoam to plywood, and the T440C is used to bond fiberglass to plywood. These products are best used by spray application, followed by rolling the parts to press them together. A smooth, even coat is important. Depending on the porosity of the material, a second coat is sometimes advisable to get the proper build thickness. The T440C is typically used on the fiberglass Phylon to plywood bond, as it has a higher temperature resistance, but is too much solvent in it for use on the Styrofoam. Once the adhesives have dried to the touch, the two sides are bonded together, pressed into place, followed by some vigorous rolling. Visit Composet Products on the web, innovators of RV delamination, wall and roof repair.